Hello and welcome to everyone to the group presentation for InterDisciplinary Innovators for the group assignment for the DNA subject. My name is Sanya Fazlan bin Abdullah and I am the leader of this group, InterDisciplinary Innovators. And the following will be my group members, Chan Tin Nam, Anthony Michael, Liu Ji Chen, and Aino Nadira, who will also take part in this presentation of this group assignment. Now, without further ado, I would like to mention to you all that I'll handle the introduction and the conclusion for this presentation. So let's get started with part 1, shall we, which is the introduction. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is our parking service? No, what is our digital service that we have decided to create for this group assignment? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is an online parking service for QIU that uses the DNA model to make it more convenient to everyone. So, the main problems that prompted us to create this service is because, first of all, the current parking system in QIU is unorganized and inefficient. Secondly, car owners have to physically pay for their parking fees to the security guards, etc. And this is time-consuming and inconvenient. Thirdly, there's also no guarantee that the parking space is still available unless they physically check it for themselves. So that is another problem that we intend to fix with this new system.
And now I shall pass it on to Liu Ji Chen so that he may explain his part.
Thank you, Daniel. So I'll begin with the overview part. Firstly, students are required to pay a monthly pass for parking. This can be wasteful for those students who didn't utilize the parking space on a daily basis. This creates a financial burden for students who only require parking facilities. Only some of the students drive to campus every day. Some of them may take public transportation, but they may only have lessons a few days a week. So this may lead to students' parking spaces may go underutilized on certain days, resulting in inefficient use of parking spaces. Next is the sole indication of authorized parking. This method is not entirely reliable, as stickers can be misused or easily replicated. Thus, the frequent renewal of stickers contributes to unnecessary plastic waste, which harms the environment. Lastly, Quest International University has to employ a lot of personnel to guard the entry to the parking space. The areas of manpower entails substantial resources allocation and financial costs associated with the salaries and benefits. This necessary additional parking and coordination is to ensure appropriate coverage without jeopardizing the parking system security and efficiency. So that's all for me. I'll pass to the next person.
Hello everyone. Now I would like to talk about the key benefits expected to be yield for introducing the QIU Parking Assistant Digital Service. First of all, cost effectiveness and flexibility. By adopting the digital service, students and faculty members can avoid the expense of monthly parking passes. They will only need to pay for parking when they actually require it, providing cost savings and greater flexibility in managing their parking needs. The option to book and reserve parking spaces in advance offers users the flexibility to plan their parking based on their schedules, minimizing unnecessary expenditures. Next, environmental sustainability. The implementation of the digital service eliminates the reliance on physical stickers, thereby reducing plastic waste associated with sticker renewal and disposal. This initiative contributes to a more environmentally sustainable parking system. Additionally, the streamlined parking process facilitated by the digital service reduces the time spent searching for parking spots, resulting in decreased carbon emissions from vehicles within the parking area. Last but not least, efficiency and convenience. Users will benefit from real-time parking availability information, enabling them to promptly locate vacant parking spaces without wasting time and fuel in the search. This enhances overall parking efficiency. Advanced parking space reservations guarantee users a designated spot, particularly during peak hours. This assurance allows users to arrive on campus with confidence, knowing that their parking needs are met. The digital payment system eliminates the need for cash transactions and physical passes for tickets, enhancing convenience and streamlining the parking process for users. That's all from me. Thank you.
Moving on to the next part of our presentation. Today, we are thrilled to present to you the QIU Parking Assistant, a revolutionary digital service which is designed to enhance the parking experience at Quest International University. This innovative system which we have done offers a multitude of benefits that will significantly improve the efficiency and convenience for both students and staff. The first key benefit of our QIU Parking Assistant is its secure digital payment system. With this feature, users can bid farewell to the hassle of carrying cash or searching for loose change. Our system integrates multiple payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets, making transactions quick and easy as well as secure. There is no more need to worry about having the exact change. The second advantage of our system lies in its ability to monitor parking space occupancy in real time. Through the implementation of a sensor-based system, users can now access up-to-date information on available and occupied parking spaces. This feature eliminates the frustration of circling around the parking lot in search of an open spot. With the QIU Parking Assistant, finding parking will definitely be a breeze. Lastly, our digital service offers a platform for users to report issues, provide feedbacks, and request assistance. We understand the importance of addressing user concerns promptly and efficiently. That is why we have dedicated a section specifically designed to handle user queries and feedback. Every student's voice matters, and we are committed to delivering the best possible parking experience for you. In conclusion, the QIU Parking Assistant brings forth a host of benefits that overcome the limitations of the current system. By introducing a secure digital payment system, real-time parking space monitoring, and a comprehensive reporting as well as feedback platform, we aim to provide a cost-effective, and eco-friendly and a seamless parking experience for everyone at Quest International University. We thank you for your attention and we look forward to revolutionizing the way we park with the QIU Parking Assistant. That's all from me for now. I'll pass it to my teammate. Thank you.
Hi guys, it's my turn to present to you guys what our digital service is using DNA models, and also I will explain their functions and features with some images to illustrate. First, the pedagogue serves as a primary means of controlling access to the parking facilities and restrict entry to only authorized personnel or vehicles, and it can incorporate entry validations mechanism that it helps regulate the entry and exit of vehicle to prevent congestions and ensure ordering movement. The guard to detect the presence of vehicles and control the opening and closing of the guard accordingly. Moving on, license plate recognition's camera are designed to capture high quality images of license plates presence on them, and this can be configured to track and count the number of times of a vehicle. The camera continuously monitors the incoming vehicles and register an entry each time. After that, NFC technologies can be utilized to provide secure access control to parking areas. In addition, NFC technologies can also be used to facilitate payment of parking fees. Last is our QIU parking applications. Users can use the applications to report incidents such as malfunctioning parking barriers, damaged infrastructures, or any other concerns they may encounter. Second, the applications can incorporate a digital payment system, enabling users to conveniently pay for their parking fees. Last, the applications can include features to monitor parking space availabilities in real time. That's all for my part. Now I will pass back to my team members to give a further explanations. Thank you.
And now let's move on to chapter 5, which is the conclusion of this group assignment. So chapter 5, in conclusion, the new digital service, which is the online parking system, will give the following benefits to QIU. First of all, it will make it easier for people to pay for parking in QIU, because of the fact that they no longer have to pay physically. They can pay online, or they can even pay using the NFC card that we have mentioned just now. The NFC card that I mentioned just now has many benefits, including the fact that it is a wireless payment, and online, of course, it's going to be more convenient for everyone. Also, it reduces the manpower required to maintain the parking space in QIU, and finally, it will allow users to know the amount of parking space available left in QIU at any given time without having to physically be present, which is a huge boon for all of us looking for a parking space. And I now open the Q&A session for anyone to ask questions regarding this group assignment of our group. Go on, ladies and gentlemen, bring in your questions.